Do you recall what did I say last week? Did not I say that we will see US30 trading below 33,000 levels in this week itself, and that is what precisely we have achieved. It has gone till towards 32,900 levels. Now what is going to happen next week? We'll try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators, and we'll try to find out first with the help of charts, then with the conclusion should only along with the indicators, whether the indicators speak the same language as per the chart and what are the levels they suggest. At the end I will give you the summary. At the end I will give you the trading levels for next week, the entries, the targets and the take profits as well. So do not miss to watch till the end, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Also, don't miss out to watch the other analysis on my channel on the weekly and daily basis, which I upload for Dow Jones, gold, silver, Nasdaq 100, oil, natural gas, Germany 40, FTSE 100 and India index as well. I provide my daily analysis on these instruments, in fact for US market twice a day. So do press the bell icon. Now let's have a look what does the chart say. First have a look at weekly candle here. Now look at the weekly charts, and as I always maintain that now the support level on US30 is only here at around 31,500 levels, 31,700 levels. So probably now if you see it trading below this zone at 33,000, you can expect that it may try to go back till towards 31,700, 31,800 zone. That is the next target. That is also the bottom of this channel which it is trying to trade in since a little while now. So probably if it continues to trade below 32,900, you can go short. You can expect a sharper drop. This time it will try to hit this zone somewhere here. It should try to come, that is 31,500, 700 zone is certain, and then in fact it can try to go till towards 31,000 also. Below that, yes, 30,000 is also certain. See, I am bearish on both the index, and probably in the near future we may see a sharper drop. How far this could go, I will tell you. I have always told you that I will be looking forward to 30,000 and 28,000 zones. Why I am saying so, you can see it very clearly here. This is the level which it has to achieve before it tries to bounce back, and this could be a sharper drop any point of time this month, next month or in few months, but it will try to achieve 30,000 levels, which is going to remain a sharper or stronger resistance. Now look, it has to cover this journey. See, this was the time and where US30 was trading, it has seen a good drop since then and now a rise. So it has to at least achieve these levels before it looks forward to a rise again. So yes, in few weeks we may, but what will happen next week? See, if you see it trading below 32,900 next week, probably that is the time you can go short again. Then 32,000 is the target. In fact, as I said, 31,700, 800 zone must get achieved if it continues to trade below 32,000, 32,900 levels. So that is very much probable. Now look at this, why I am saying so. See, this is a beautiful fall here, and this time if it continues to drop till the time it remains below 33,500, yes, you can expect a sharp vertical drop which will try to take it below 32,000 levels. That is my expectation. Till the time it remains below 33,500, one can remain short on US30. So this is what it appears here also. Now let's have a look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, there is a certain resistance at 34,000. We have seen all the candles getting reflected or reversed from this zone. Also look at this, it is trying to trade in this expanding channel, lower lows, and the highs are very much limited. So for next week, any point of time, see, first thing is 32,900, and then somewhere in fact a notch below that at around 32,760. that is the next target. If it trades below 32,760, go short. Nothing will stop it till 32,000 levels. So if it trades below 32,760, nothing will stop it till 32,000 levels, and if it bounces back from there, then again 34,000 levels can be expected. This is just a expectation from US30. However, see, this is the first red candle after these retracement candle, and hence we can expect further red candles in for next couple of days, which might try to take US30, which might bring US30 below 32,000 levels. That is my expectation from US30 on the daily charts. Now let's have a look at the monthly candle. See, on the monthly candle, higher highs, higher lows, it is trying to trade in this zone. The support here, as I've said, at around 32,900 levels. If it breaks 32,900 again next month, go short. This time nothing will stop it till 32,000 as the first target. 31,700, this is the target which it must achieve, and below that, in fact, it can try to drop till towards 31,000 levels. If it continues to drop, trade in red and successive, it provides successive bearish candle. At the same time, as I said, trading beyond 33,200, here you can try to take a long entry, but I will not be confirming it a bullish move till the time it trades below 34,000 level. Yes, it can try to go back till towards 33,500. It can in fact rise till towards 34,000 levels, and if it trades beyond 34,000, go long. Then there is nothing for it to stop it till 35,000 levels, 35,300 levels. So we have seen the daily, weekly and monthly charts. Now let's have a look at the indicators, whether the indicators are also suggesting the same thing. Now look at the monthly chart. This is the 20 months average, which is giving it a support at 32,900 levels, and that is why next month or next week, whenever you see it trading below 32,900 and specifically 32,760, go short. You will definitely see US30 at 32,000, and in fact 31,700, 500 zone should get achieved. In fact, it may try to fall strongly. Remember, on the monthly chart, this is the green candle. After that, a first red candle and a second red candle should come up, and hence the month of May is going to remain bearish, is my expectation. But look at the monthly stochastic looking downwards. It may see, it was trading oversold consistently, and now looking downwards, it will try to this was overbought zone, now it will looking forward to oversold zone, and hence couple of red candles can be expected. Also look at the MACD on the monthly charts, 3 red candles, hence a 4, and it is divergent, hence a 4th red candle can be expected. Remain short below 32,800 levels, 900 levels. Now similarly on the weekly charts, if you look at the indicators, there is a strong resistance which is lying between 34,500 to 35,000 levels. These levels I should be watching out for. Also look at this on the weekly chart. This is at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. There is a support lying at around 32. This is the 100 period moving average, 32,300 to 32,000 levels. Stronger support. Below that we may see a sharper fall. Also, the weekly stochastic is now coming to oversold zone. It will try to achieve oversold zone, and hence another red candle can be expected, and MACD is wide and divergent. Now similarly on the daily charts, and the most important, if you look at the indicators on the daily charts, trading outside the Bollinger Bands, that is a matter of concern. Pivot at around 32,900. If it breaks it, then we will see US30 at 32,760 and 32,500 levels. Below that, a sharp drop can be expected. And if you look at the daily stochastic, it is still in green, it's still looking upwards, but it can try to come back into oversold zone, trade in red. If it continues to do so, oversold zones hardly matter anything to US30, it will continue to drop. Now look at this on the MACD, is wide and divergent. There is still a little scope, as it is trading almost flat. It can continue with this zone, and then bounce back can be expected once it is below 32,000 levels, specifically from 31,700, 500 levels, then and then only. Daily RSI is now trying to look into oversold zone, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, 4-hour charts too, it is oversold here. On the 4-hour chart, it can sustain this. However, why I am saying so, see, the MACD has just crossed over, and this is first red candle. We can expect couple more red candles before it looks forward to a rise, and RSI is near to oversold zone. So considering this, let me give you the trading levels for the day. Let's have a look at the levels for next week. So first let's talk about where to go long, and if you see it trading above 33,210, here you can go long 33,300 and 350. Now remember, 33,300, 33,350 and 33,500, these numbers are going to be a very strong resistance for US30 next. and beyond 33,500 the target is 33,700 and 34,000 levels. Till here it is not completely bullish, and till 34,000 I will not confirm this is a complete bullish reversal, but if it trades beyond 34,000 there is no option. Close your shorts, go long this, and by the way we are already long at 33,210, hence you have to always trade with stop loss. A probable reversal zone is this, from here it can try to reverse. A breakout zone is above 33,500, take your trades accordingly. Now where you have to go short, now see, before we look into this, see, if you also want to gain the same expertise, if you also want to learn how to see the charts, how to see the charts speaking, and how to trade, where to enter, where to exit, these strategies are taught in my mentorship course. This is a 15-day session, 90 minutes every day, and if you can also be part of this, first invest in your learning, then reap the profits throughout your life. And reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. My email ID and telegram channel ID are mentioned in the description. My personal telegram ID is also mentioned in the description. Reach out to me for details, and if you can also be part of my VIP signals group, where trading as per the signals, definitely you can profit. So now let's have a look where to go short. So any point of time you see next week it trading below 32,900, close your eyes, go short 32,760, and below that it will try to hit 32,500, 32,450, and if this zone is taken then nothing will stop till 32,300 and 32,000. In fact below this it may try to go back till towards 31,700 plus minus levels. So take your positions accordingly, and don't always forget to switch your or shift your stop loss to your cost price or entry price. See, you can enter 100 times, but once the market reverses you cannot pull it back once, and your position is red, and if the day is not in your favor, the markets will never reverse back, remember. So always keep shifting your stop losses to your entry price, and keep trading again and again. If you are convinced, and if you see it trading in your direction, then and then only. So this is the best way, easiest way to save your capital and trade in profit. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Join my telegram channel. Reach out to me via telegram or email, both are mentioned in the description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead again.